Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Anderson Island Getaway. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Johnson Landing, 19 miles from Museum of Glass and 27 miles from Hands-On Children's Museum, Anderson Island Getaway provides accommodations with amenities such as free Wi-Fi and a TV. This vacation home is 18 miles from Tacoma Dome and 19 miles from University of Washington Tacoma. The vacation home is fitted with 5 bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 2 bathrooms with a shower and free toiletries. Towels and bed linen are offered. Guests at the vacation home are welcome to enjoy cycling nearby or make the most of the garden. Pacific Lutheran University is 16 miles from Anderson Island Getaway, while University of Puget Sound is 18 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.